Hello everyone, now we have to design this Hero 3. So let's start it. Here I am at the website and in here I will go to page and click on add new. Then here I will add the title as Hero 3. Then click on edit with Elementor. Wait a second, it will redirect to the Elementor editor and the editor was load. Then I click on page setting and on page setting I will just change the page layout to Elementor canvas. Okay, and now let's start to design this. First I have to find the height of this section. The height is 223. So let's create a flex box and its direction will be direction column like this. Then here click here, go to layout section of the container and here the size will be height will be 2 to 3. Okay, now I will make it direction as row horizontal. Then on advanced I have to add this padding. So the padding is 140. As I told before, when you click a section on Figma and press Alt, you can see the space in between the items. So here we have 140. Let's add it here. The right will be 140 and the left will be 140. Okay, now as the first step we have to add this logo. So select the logo image on the Figma and click on export image. Let's make it 1.5x. Okay, now I will go here and click this add element icon and here let's add the image like this. Then click here and drag and drop the logo like this. Select and set its size as full. Okay, the logo is blurred. To fix it, we will go here and let's make its size as 2x and let's try. Okay, then let's replace this logo. Click here, then upload this logo like this and click on select. Actually this logo become bigger than the section. So this section mean height is 223 but now its height is more than that. So let's click on the logo and go to style. Then let's add the height as 223. Then let's make it as 100% like this. Okay, now we have to add this menu. To add this menu we have to create a menu. First click here and search menu on the search bar and get the WordPress menu. Put it like here and now here we have to add the menu. To do that I will click on menu screen and here let's create a new menu. Click on create a menu, create a new menu. Then let's add those details. First we have to publish this page because as the home page we have to set this Hero 3 page. Okay, now it's published and here I have to refresh this page again. Then let's add the text like Hero 3 menu. Then click on create menu. Okay, and here we have Hero 3 page. Just click on it and click on add to menu and click here to expand it. Then change this navigation label to home and then we don't have the rest of the links, so let's create custom links. As the URL add hashtag and on link text let's add those text. First about us, second electrical service, add URL as hashtag, third contact us. Then add hashtag, click on add to menu. Okay, now I click on save menu. Just click on save menu and now if I go to the Hero 3 and currently I don't see the menu, so if I refresh this page and now click on the menu and here now we have the third menu, Hero 3 menu. Then I will go to style and we have to change the style. So first let's see the text. So here the typography is cabin regular 18. First let's add those details. Typography cabin, size is regular mean normal and it's 18 and it's in uppercase. Transform will be uppercase. Then let's see the color. The color is black. Here is the black color. The color is black. Then let's check the space between. Select one of menu and press Alt and check its size. It's 50 pixels. Space between 15 will be 50. Okay, and now we have to change the hover setting. In hover, it will be change the color to this dark green color, and we will have a underline. So click here and paste the color like that, and here we have the underline. Just click paste it color. Okay, and on active we will automatically get the hover color to active, so we don't need to do anything. Okay, then what we have to do is make this center. Okay, to make it center, I will click on it and go to content, and not on content, let's go to the advanced. On advanced, let's click align self, and it just align self center. It just went to the center. And now what we have to do is add this scroll icon. First, let's create a container, and inside that container we can create this section. Okay, click here and add a container like this. It's bigger, so let's decrease its size with like this. Now let's make it like this for now, and we can change it later. And click here, then I will search icon box. Actually we don't need the container, I will just delete it. We can just use icon. I search icon box, and here we have the icon box. Just put it like this. Surely it should be after the WordPress menu like this. Then what I can do is, first I will click here. This icon is a phone icon, so let's search phone and select the phone icon. Click on insert, and here we have to change the content. So let's copy the content from here, and now let's paste it on as title. Then let's copy this number, then paste it on the description. So far so good. And then what I can do is, here on the view I will go to style. In style, let's make icon position as right like this, and vertical alignment will be middle like this. And then go to the icon. On icon, let's make the primary color as white, and we have to add the background. So let's the primary color as white, and then I go to the content again, and in the view I will add frame. Actually it's not frame, should be stroke. And go to style, and style on icon, let's add this stroke color as this blue color. Copy the blue color from here, and the secondary color will be blue. Actually the primary color will be blue, and the secondary color is the icon, it will be white. Let's make it design better after we create the rest. So then we have to change this text to cabin medium 16.5, and the color is this blue. Let's to make it, I will go to content. On content, the title color will be this color, then typography will be cabin 16.5, and the size is medium mean 500. Okay, then we have to change the description. Let's check the description details. The background color is black, and cabin bold 25. That background is blank. Typography cabin 25 bold. Okay, so far so good. And now what we have to do is check the padding. So here the padding will be 19 by 90. So let's add the icon padding. Here padding will be 19, and the icon size is 25. Let's add 25. Okay, let's do it after we fix those alignment issues. Also we have to make this center. Click on it and make it align itself center. Okay, now I click here and go to layout. In layout I will change this content width to full width, and then let's make it space between. It will adjust according to the website size. However, it's not good in this small version, so let's remove this structure section like this. And now here is the view. So I just published it.